If you need quick and easy access to prices of the fuel in Lyon, the Fuelworx integration is for you. In this video we'll show you how this integration is working and how, without the need to upload fuel files, you can get fuel prices on your flights. Fuelworx is a software that provides complete aviation fuel solutions and can be integrated with Lyon software. In order to activate the integration, you need to go to Admin panel, so you need to click on the gear icon and then you need to enter Add-ons. In here you will find Fuelworx integration. In About tab you will be able to see basic details of the integration, and you need to contact Fuelworx on their webpage. Then, after contacting, you'll receive API key, which can be inserted in the configuration window. But before, you need to switch status of the integration to on. After enabling the integration, Fuelworx will automatically send fuel prices to Lyon software. So when you will create a flight, in the Fuel tab, you will find Fuelworx prices. In here you will be able to see the price, and also the integration can send some important notes, which can be visible after you hover your mouse on the notepad or if you click on the notepad. This way you can check the prices for departure and destination airport. In order to request for a fuel, you need to access Fuelworx webpage. In here, you can search for some particular airport using the code or airport name, and then all the prices will be visible. If needed, you can change the currency and quantity of the fuel. And in here you have all the possible prices, which you can select. Then you can add them to quote and create fuel release. In here you will be able to define the type of the flight, aircraft registration, your operator code, aircraft type, flight number, and also you can define the schedule, handler and notes. And after entering all the details, you can click on Send Fuel Release to send the message. Previously sent releases will be visible in the bottom left corner, so you can check the quotes and fuel releases right away. In case of contact, you have telephone number and email address to Fuelworx visible at the upper part of the web page.